Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the AC compressor on Nissan Micra 1.2 petrol. The AC compressor on this car is located on the bottom of the engine. We can see the serpentine belt is located on the side of the engine, and the bottom pulley is the AC compressor. Now we're gonna go underneath the car. I'll show you what the AC compressor is. This is the AC compressor right there. And in order to remove the AC compressor, first we need to remove the serpentine belt. To get access to the serpentine belt, we need to remove this wheel arch liner and just move it to the side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now I have access to the serpentine belt. We can see on this car there is two serpentine belts. To remove this serpentine belt, this is the belt tensioner. We need to loosen this bolt on the tensioner pulley, and then there is another bolt which we need to turn in order to loosen the tension on the belt. This is the bolt right there, this long bolt right there. After we loosen the bolt on the pulley, then we should be able by hand to turn this bolt and loosen the tension on the tensioner. So first to loosen the bolt on the tensioner pulley. Now that the bolt on the tensioner pulley is loosened, I'm going to turn the bolt on the back of the tensioner to loosen the tension. This is the size socket 13 that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be turning the bolt by hand. It's very easy to turn. Once turning the bolt, you'll see how the tension on the belt will loosen, and then we'll be able to remove the belt. We can see the belt is now loosened, so now we can remove the belt. Now that the serpentine belt is removed, we can start removing the AC compressor. The AC compressor is held by three bolts, one on top, one on the bottom, and one on the rear. Once we remove those bolts, then we're going to remove also the electrical connector, and then we're going to bring down the AC compressor, and then we're going to remove the two AC lines. Once we remove those three bolts holding the compressor, we're gonna bring down the compressor, and now the only thing left to do is remove the two AC lines, which are right there. They're held by two bolts size 10, and also there's an electrical connector that we need to remove as well. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.